Welcome back. Now it's time to start a discussion about graphical user interface or GUI. And to display something graphically, we need to import something. So I'm going to type from tk import everything. Then I'm going to go down here. I'll type window. I'm going to create a window and it's going to instantiate tk. So here we instantiate an instance of a window. This is what this line of code is doing. So if I run this, we get nothing displayed because we didn't say to display the little window. We need to go down here and type window dot main loop. Now if I run this, now we have this little window being displayed. Now let's see how we can change the text here, because here it says tk. And to do that, we need to type here window dot title parenthesis, and I'm gonna type Alex first GUI program. And now that is gonna change the title. If I run this, we have Alex, and if I increase this, it says Alex first GUI program. And also have a little image here. Let's see how we can change that image. And to do that, I'm gonna go down here. I'll type icon equals to photo image parenthesis file, and now I need to point to the file where this image is. And I'm gonna go to downloads and make sure that the image is a PNG file, because if it's not a PNG, the photo image is not gonna support it and it's not gonna work. So if I paste it here, I'm gonna type here Python PNG. Then I'll go down here, I will type window, because I need to add this icon to our window. Icon photo. First we pass true for the first argument, and then we pass our icon. Also, let's change the size of our window, because as you saw previously, it is small. And to do that, we type here window dot geometry, and we pass here the width and height. It's gonna be 500 to 500. So lowercase x 500. Now, if I run this, as you can see here, very small, we have the icon and have Alex first GUI program. And you can also change the background. Instead of this white background, we can go down here and you can type window dot config background, and here we can pass a hex value or a named color, and I'm gonna type here black. Now if I run this, now as you can see the window is black, but I like it white, so I'm gonna delete this. But this is how you do it. And again, here you can also pass a hex value. Let me search for a hex color to show you. So if I put here a hex color, if I run this, now it's green, because that hex color is green. But I'm gonna delete this because I like this white background. So this is our first graphical user interface program. It's very simple. It does nothing, but as we progress, we'll learn more about more things. We'll learn about widgets, and we'll create more powerful programs. Okay, I'm gonna end this video here, and I'll see you in the next video.